Yeah, this one.
Hello.
No, you please wait. Good morning to all the learners. I welcome you all for this online student grievance redressal drive. E-Shiksha Ki Baat Regional Director के साथ program. As you are all aware, Indira Gandhi National Open University Regional Center Mumbai has taken this initiative during the 2020 pandemic time onwards, and we are continuing the same online student grievance redressal drive. Before we call individual students, let me give you some important information about your studies in the IGNO. Now, July 2021 admissions for the bachelor's and master degree is going on, and the dates have been extended up to 12 December 2021. Any friends, if you know any family members or any colleagues, you please inform to them and make the use of this extended facility for the fresh admission in undergraduation and post graduation degrees only. The admissions for the certificate, PG diploma, and the semester-based programs have been closed, and only UG and PG admissions are going on. You can inform them, your friends. Second one is for the re-registration. The students, those who have registered for the programs which are having the duration more than 1 year, such type of the students have to, like the BA, BCom, BSc, MA, MCom, MSc, or the management program, BCA, MCA, such type of the program students have to register for the second year or the second semester, third semester, like that, that is called as a re-registration. The date is 15th December 2021, last date. You have to register whether you complete your assignments or not, whether you have completed your examinations or not. You can do re-registration for the second semester or the third semester, whatever it is the eligible to you, and you can do it. For that, online link available in our IGNO main website www.igno.ac.in, online rr.igno.ac.in. That is the direct link. You please, I think that is applicable to all the students, those who have joined the programs which are having the duration more than the 1 year. That is another second important issue, information I would like to inform. And third, now the university has announced the dates for the term and examination December 2021. Accordingly, the university has extended the last date for submission of the assignments till 31st December 2021. So many students are approaching and sending the emails to the regional center regarding the submission of the assignments. My dear learners, the regional center Mumbai is giving the facility to the students to submit your handwritten assignments through online link. That is the first option all the students are having. Only one study center, that is the Satya College, they operated the online link till the last month. Due to some technical problem, they expressed their inability to operate the online link. However, now the Satya College has opened and they are functioning perfectly as per the timings of the Satya College. Student can go directly and submit the hard copy, or otherwise you can send it by the post. The only online link facility not available. Study centers, other study centers are having the three options. First one is scan your handwritten assignments and convert into PDF. We have given the links for all the study centers online submission links. It is uploaded in our IGNOU Regional Center Mumbai website, rcmumbai.ignou.ac.in. That is our RC Mumbai website link. On the home page itself, we have given assignments December 2021 submission link. Once you click that one, you get the detailed page where we have mentioned how to submit the assignments. In the cover page, how to be the cover page. In the cover page, you have to write your enrollment number, your program code, that is a very important one, and your course code and the study center code. And niche you can write your address, including your name, your email ID, your phone number. That is the cover page. Any type of the paper you can use, whether it is the A4 size or A3 size paper or white paper or rolled paper, you can use and you can scan it. Both the sides also you can write. That is up to your comfortability. Using of the sketch pens, and that is also your wish. Suppose if you want to make some highlights in while writing the assignments, side headings or some formulas, some diagrams, if you want to highlight, you can use it, the sketch pens. And don't use the red color pen and the green color pen. You can write the assignments with the black or the blue color pens. Highlighting the important points with the sketch pen is permitted, where you can make it. Each course के लिए you have to create the separate file. Suppose MA Psychology we will take. First year में you are having the total 6 theory papers and 1 practical paper. MPC 001 के लिए 1 file. You have to scan that file, convert it into the PDF. What some students are doing, MPC 001, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all scanning one time, making one file and submitting, uploading it. Then you will face the problem that assignments will not be evaluated because of the course-wise academic counselors are different. Course-wise evaluators are different. We will think it is only the one file and we will see it MPC 001 first and we will send to the MPC 001 academic counselor. Your MPC 001 marks only will be updated. Remaining MPC 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will not be updated and it will not be evaluated because of you have not submitted separate file. You have combined all the courses in one file. That's why I request even for the BAG program, BComG program, or even the management program, or MCA or BCA program, each course के लिए you have to make separate file. Even suppose if you are submitting the hard copy also, separate folders you create. Some students are asking, sir, we have to go for the file. That is up to your comfortability. Suppose you are unable to purchase the folders, even you can simply pin it, separate, and you can submit at your study center, and or even you can send it by the post. The guidelines are very clearly given, and the first page you read it. Each study center के लिए we have given the separate link. You have to submit under that study center. Students are writing the 49018 or 1619. The students are requesting, sir, our study center is not up here. Even 49051 also, that is Lakshmi Chand Golwala College, Bhivandi, and the Tarapur Vidya Mandir also, because of it is a rural area, they are having the only hard copy facility. And even though this Pearl Academy 49049, that students also asking, sir, हमको study center not listed. Such type of the students all we have mentioned very clearly. You can submit under the LSC 1601. 1601 you can submit. Even 1615 students, any Tarapur Vidya Mandir students, you can also submit under the 1601. That is the one information regarding the submission of the assignments. Second one is 1619. That is the arena education, where this BCA students, maybe CIT students, they are also mentioning 1619 is not available. My dear learners, 1619 center has been closed. That students have already shifted to 1632. That is a Pillai College. The such type of the students you can submit under the 1632. Any PGDCA students, PG Diploma in Computer Applications and Masters of Computer Application new students, they all can submit under 49033. You don't bother about your study center, whatever is available in your registration details. You, I am telling, as a regional director, any BCA student, whether you are first semester, second semester, all, you can submit under 1632. And even this MCA new students and PGDCA new students, even re-registered MCA students, you can submit under the 49033 link. That is a BMN college. That's why no need to worry. Any student coming under the 49018, 49049 and 49051, you all can submit under the 1601 study center. This is a, I hope I have given you a clarity about the submission of the assignments. Now the last date is 31st December 2021, and some regarding the examination link already open. Examination schedule also uploaded in our IGNOU main website, ignou.ac.in. The timetable is very clear. It starts from 20 February 2022 and ends starting from the 20 January 2022 and ending 20 February 2022. 1 month schedule timetable has already uploaded in our website, and the last date for submission of online examination form without any late fee is the 15 December 2021. After the 15th, you have to pay 1100 late fee, and the each course के लिए 200 rupees. That is a common one. I request all the students, don't go for the late fee. Before the 15th December 2021, you submit. Maybe some students are asking, sir, we are having the last date for submission of assignment up to 31st December 2021. while filling the online examination form, it is asking, have you submitted the assignments? Suppose I am submitting on the 15th without late fee, but I will submit the assignment later. Can I submit the exam form? Yes, you can submit. One thing I am telling, if you are having the confidence of submission of the assignments, you can fill the exam form. After filling the examination form, if you are not submitting your assignments by 31st December 2021, your result will not be declared. Submission of the assignment is a compulsory component to declare the result. That's why you please make it fast and submit as per the dates. And the university has given a very detailed notification on 28th October 2021 regarding exemption of the examinations, theory examinations. The students, those who joined in the July 2020, I am repeating again, those who have joined July 2020 in first year of bachelor's and the master degrees, they have given very specifically, such students are supposed to write their examinations in the June 2021, where university has not allowed them to write the examination. Such type of the students are exempted from the theory examinations. However, you are supposed to submit your assignments as well as the practical journals or the fieldwork journals or whatever it may be the mandatory thing. This exemption is only for the theory courses, not for any other component. Even this exempted courses marks will be updated in your grade card once you complete subsequent semesters or subsequent years examination. Suppose BAG student we are taking in the first year, they have joined in the July 2020 in the first year. They are exempted for the first year theory examination. This first year theory marks will be allotted on the basis of the marks secured in the second year. Once you complete all the courses in the second year, then only your first year theory marks will reflect in the grade card. As long as you are not completing the second year courses, your first year marks will not be allowed, will not be allotted. Some students are writing, I am exempted from these theory papers, but so far my grade card has not been updated. It will not be updated till you complete your second year. That's why I am requesting all the students, please go through the notification. The programs are very clearly given, and this exemption policy also they have given very clearly, and I already informed to the students in the 2-3 meetings very clearly. Even this recorded version has been uploaded in our IGNOU Regional Center Mumbai YouTube channel. Then you please go through the records as well as the documents, then you will get the clarity on this, those who have promoted. And the fees, whatever you paid, it will be carried forward. Suppose you have paid the fees for the June 2021, the exempted students' fees will be adjusted in the June 2022 because of your exempted students' examination is yearly basis. You are supposed to write the examination in the June 2022. That's why even now also we have given the some exemption previous sessions. Such type of the students have to start filling up the examination form. While filling the examination form, any student fees carry forwarded and they were exempted previously, it shows in the examination form. If your fees has been carry forwarded as per the university guidelines and the rules and regulations, it reflects. Students simply without checking that examination form, they are writing to the regional center. I request all the students, please go through the link exam.igno.ac.in. That is the examination link. They have given very clearly all the guidelines, previous circulars. Once you start filling up your examination form, you will be getting the information whether you have to pay the fees or not, it has been carry forwarded or it has been adjusted, that all the information will come. And also suppose any student not interested to take up the exemption policy, you can fill the form for this December 2021 and write the examination. Someone is also asking, I have not filled the form for the June 2021, but I am eligible for the exemption. Whether I have to fill the form again, they are asking. No, whether you fill the form or not fill the form, examination form, all the students coming under this circular, whatever the programs they have given, are eligible without filling the examination form or with filling the examination form. You are all exempted from the theory papers. That's why I request, please go through the circular issued by the Student Evaluation Division on 28th October 2021. And coming to the practicals, there are so many students, BSc students are writing, BSc G students and the BSc BA psychology students are writing when our practicals are going to be conducted. Now the Satya College is expressed their ability to conduct the practical sessions, and our Delhi headquarters also working on that. After this February month, after the completion of the term and theory examinations, we are going to conduct the practicals, most probably face-to-face mode, this BSc practicals. Whereas BA psychology practicals will be conducted through online mode. Whatever it may be the pending, first year or the second year, all we are going to conduct through online mode. For that purpose, we create the link and we will inform to the students, and this all the information will be uploaded in our RC Mumbai website, and it will be posted in our RC Mumbai Facebook page. I request all the students to like our our Facebook page and follow it for all the information. Coming to the MA Psychology practicals, already we have completed the Viva Voice of the June 2021. Some of the students have not paid the fees for the June 2021 and attended the practicals, but such type of the students were not allowed to submit the journal. And December 2021 के लिए students have paid the fees, and they before paying the fees they might have attended the sessions, they might have completed their journal, they are all waiting for the submission of the journal. Such type of the students, you all have to wait till the February 2022. Once your theory examinations have been completed, then we are again going to conduct the practical sessions for the students, those who have applied December 2021 examinations. Suppose if you have already attended, no need to attend that, but you have to fill the December 2021 examination form. Such type of the students will receive online submission link in the month of the February. After the theory examination, I am telling very clearly, theory examinations ends by 20 February 2022. After that, the link will be given to the students to submit their journals. Even though you have completed your journal process till February 2022, you all have to wait. No need to बार बार email लिखने के लिए जरूरत नहीं है. आप लोगों all have to wait till the February 2022. Even in the MCA and BCA practicals, logistics also university will announce after your theory examinations. Now you all have to concentrate on your theory papers. Accordingly, you prepare for your examination. And the synopsis, the project synopsis submission, last date is also 31st December 2021. I request all the students, those who are belongs to the programs of MA Psychology, BCA, MCA, MA Education, PG Diploma in Education Management, PG Diploma in Educational Technology. These program students all have to submit their synopsis at the regional center. At the regional center, the online submission link is also uploaded in our RC Mumbai website. Accordingly, the guidelines also uploaded. You read it very carefully and submit before 31st December 2021. This I am again repeating: BCA, MCA, MA Psychology, MA Education, PG Diploma in Education Management. These are the programs. You all have to submit at the regional center. Remaining students like management program students, you have to send the synopsis to the headquarters, School of Management, either through soft copy or the hard copy. You can write to the syms@igno.ac.in. Because of the MBA students are submitting to the regional center, it is not correct. As per the project manual, that synopsis has to be sent to the Delhi. And coming to the other students of the PG Diploma in Information Security, you have to send the synopsis to the headquarters, the Ursula Khan. That email ID is given in your project manual. For the PGDS project ke liye, no need of any guide. Yourself, you have to prepare the synopsis and send to the Ursula Khan, who will be approving. Accordingly, you prepare the final report and upload in the IGNO main website link. Okay, and another programs like DECE, MA Rural Development, maybe MA Economics, this PGDHE, these are all having the projects. The students have to submit, even DNHE also. You all have to submit your synopsis to your guide. No need to take approval of the regional center. Your guide should approve. Once he approved the synopsis, prepare the final project and upload in the IGNO main website mein link hai. Before 31st December 2021, you can submit. Now, the students, those who have submitted to the regional center, they are writing, sir, we have submitted in the month of November, we have submitted in the month of the September, October, and so far the result means status has not been declared, particularly psychology students. I have to submit by the 31st December 2021. They're asking, my dear learners, those who have submitted in the month of the October, November, and till the December, your project submission date is May 2022, not now, because of the project is a 1-year activity. Once the date is completed, 31st December ke baad, we will declare the result of the synopsis. whether it is approved or modified or not approved. Till that time, you all have to wait. Your submission is in 30 May 2022. For the psychology students के लिए second year के लिए we have already organized a special web meeting, online meeting with the faculty in the last week. That also uploaded, that recorded video also uploaded in our RC Mumbai YouTube channel. You subscribe it, get the new notifications. That's why whether you are the BCA or the MCA or PGD, MA or MA education, those who have submitted now synopsis, your final project submission is 30 May 2022. That's why no need to send the emails, status declare karo, मैं 31st को submit करना है. You are not eligible to submit by the 31st December 2021. You are eligible to submit the final project in 30 May 2022. This I would like to inform to all the students. And suppose if you are not interested to write the examination, but you are interested to submit the assignments, yes, you can submit. You can submit the assignments now and write the examination in the next session. As I told in the several meetings, writing of the examination is your interest. Within the maximum period, you have to complete, and the selection of the examination center also depending upon your comfortability. You can select the examination center across the country. Across the country, any exam center you can select while filling the online examination form. Accordingly, hall ticket will be generated 1 week before the examinations. Hall ticket also will be uploaded in the website. You can download and write. And these theory examinations you can write anywhere in India, whereas the practical examinations will be conducted by the regional center of Mumbai only. If you are belongs to RC Mumbai, you have to attend here only. These are the information, and also we are conducting the online counseling sessions. The counseling schedules also uploaded in our RC Mumbai website. Please follow it, attend the counseling sessions, utilize the services of the academic counselors. Feel free to contact the regional center for any type of your queries related to your studies. I'm stopping here. I wish you all the best, and my colleague Dr. Nambudri and Mr. Seshan will take the question and answer sessions, and all the students will be given the opportunity. If it is required, I will also intervene, and I will give you the more clarity if required. Then otherwise, I wish you all the best. Please take care about your health and your family health. Please support the government for maintaining the healthy India, and also support the IGNOU to provide you better support services. Thank you, one and all.